From the Sky News Weather Centre, this is the 10-minute briefing.
Just gone 8 o'clock in Hobart, 7 o'clock in Brisbane. You are live watching Sky. We are live. You're watching Sky News Weather. My name is Shelley Betty, joined in the studio by our magnificent meteorologist Tristan Myers. And Tristan, the rain is just continuing to fall in Queensland.
It is. We have some vision to show you right off the top here, which is what's happening at the Monument. This is a very characteristic area of Western Queensland because of this weird-looking hill that you might be able to see as the camera pans around. If you don't, this is the area that's received now 162 millimeters so far this month. And not too many records there, but it is the wettest March on record. Only goes back about 16 years, 17 years or so, those records. And yeah, the rain continued to fall there with those showers coming through and a lot more rain to fall for some parts of Western Queensland.
Absolutely. 22 millimetres for you at the Monument at Phosphate Hill since 9 a.m. today. And thank you so much for sharing that vision with us on Facebook as well. It lets us know what's going on out there where there aren't that many cameras at this point in time.
No, not at all.
Now, talking about this point in time, let's see what the current temperature is right near you, or at least at most of our capital centres. Brisbane just shy of 20 degrees, 19.7 at the moment. Remaining warm in Alice Springs, 30 degrees right now. And also warm in the west, nearly 31 degrees at Perth, 30.9. But it is cooling off for you in Hobart, under 16 degrees. Yeah,
nice cool there. Another warm night ahead for the west coast. Here we got some radar imagery showing those showers that have been hitting New South Wales throughout the day. A storm warning earlier for northeast New South Wales around Coffs Harbour has now been canned. Notice how we still have a few showers there, and we also have areas of rain continue to affect southeast Queensland. They are beginning to clear, though.
And southeast Queensland did get hammered by rainfall overnight, Monday into Tuesday. In fact, we saw flash flooding across parts of Brisbane and also the Gold Coast as well as a result of these very heavy falls. And of course, flash flooding, what is the rule, Tristan? What is the rule?
When it's flooded, you must forget it. Oh my gosh, what's happening here?
Because you never know what could be in flood waters. There could be debris, there could be creepy crawlers. And in some parts of Queensland, you just don't know what's in the water. I was hoping to bring this out when we have a story about flooding in tropical Queensland, but here is our new little mate.
I'm very uncomfortable.
Little mascot.
I'm very uncomfortable
This
right
is
now.
not Tristan's favourite critter. Let me just say, this is our new mascot.
Yeah, I don't like that. I disagree. In the
Are you
choice.
team member Ali?
Ali? It'd be Crocky, wouldn't it?
Oh, I don't know. Look at that snout.
Yeah, maybe it is an alligator. So there you go. It's an American just like me, so at least I can sympathize with it to a degree. But for the most part, I find these things absolutely terrifying.
So if you are in certain areas of Queensland, perhaps not in northwest Queensland, a long way from the coast, but you just never know what could be in floodwaters. In fact, that stands across any part of Australia. Could be one of these guys.
Could be
so
one of these.
If it's flooded, forget it. Don't go roaming through those floodwaters. One of your least favourite animals. It's okay.
You're pointing it at me. You realise? I feel like I should put my hands up here.
You don't want to say hello?
I'll pass.
Okay. Now let's find out where there are some flood watches and some flood warnings in place, because flooding is a risk in some parts of the Northern Territory and Queensland at the moment. It's okay, mate. It's inflatable.
I'm shaking right now. Yeah, so actually it's a good point you bring that up, because Ingham to Cooktown, where there are crocs around, that's actually a flood watch right now. We are seeing heavy rain continue and minor flooding could develop tomorrow, so absolutely pertinent that you bring that up.
If you're tempted to go in those flood waters, remember something like
Ali the
that could
alligator.
be lurking.
Ali the alligator. Probably not lurking there, he's American, but maybe Cameron the crocodile.
Now, do stay with us here on Sky News Weather. Speaking about all things American, after a brief 60-second break, we're going to come back and have a look at some of the severe storms, winter storms that have been rolling across the US. We're also going to have a look at some snap frozen seafood. What happens when things get very cold in the UK?